Today I'm going to show you how to get the Notion Google Calendar template in just a few simple steps, so you can quickly add it to your workspace and start organizing your schedule. This is a super helpful setup if you want to manage your calendar, tasks and planning in one place without wasting time building everything from scratch. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open your browser and go to notion.com/templates/Google-calendar or go directly to google-calendar.notion.site. Once the page loads, you'll see the Google Calendar template page inside Notion. Here, look for the button that says Get Template or Start with this template. Click that button to begin the setup process. After that, Notion will take you to the next screen where you need to choose your workspace. This step is important because it decides where the template will live inside your Notion account. Select the workspace you want to use, then click Add to Workspace. Once you do that, Notion will copy the template into your account and set it up for you automatically. After the template is added, you'll see it appear in the left sidebar menu of your Notion workspace. That means it has been successfully installed and is ready to use. From there, you can open it, explore the layout, and start customizing it to fit your own schedule or planning style. You can add events, organize your calendar content, and make adjustments however you like. And that's it. You've now added the Notion Google Calendar template to your workspace, and you're ready to start using it right away. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy tutorial.